Hello, welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn how to make spicy chorizo roasted potatoes with sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. This meal takes 2 hours to cook, so please be prepared, but it is 100% worth it. This is what I consider comfort food at its best. A recipe hack for you: start by boiling the potatoes because nobody likes a raw roasted potato. The ingredients: 1 sweet potato, 700 grams of baby potatoes, 1 pack of spicy chorizo sausage, and 1 onion. Future me popping in to tell you, now is the time to preheat your oven. If you have a regular size oven, preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius, or if you have a mini oven like I do, crank it all the way up to the 250 degree mark, because the mini ovens lose heat as fast as they generate heat. Boiling water. The potatoes are parboiled. I'm back from my walk and it is time to peel the sweet potato, dice it, slice this onion, and slice this chorizo into medallions. You're going to need a big baking dish and you're going to need the olive oil. 3 grams so far. I don't want to use too much oil because there's a lot of fat in the chorizo. I want these to be the shape of rainbows. Not too thin, otherwise they'll burn too quickly, but also not too thick that they don't cook through. I think these are coated beautifully in olive oil and it's all spread on along the base. We're going to put everything on top of this. Next, my parboiled potatoes. Spread them across the top of the onions. Another 2 spritzes. Sweet potatoes cook a lot faster than normal potatoes, which is why we are not parboiling this. 374 grams of sweet potato uncooked. Spread the sweet potato on top of the normal potato and another 2 sprays. There is actually metal on the ends of the sausage. And now to slice the medallions. Next, spread the medallions out evenly so that their juices can go over the potatoes. Salt, pepper, and now I'm going to put this in the oven for 40 minutes. The chorizo fat is starting to melt and coat potatoes. I do want everything coated in chorizo fat because number 1, it's spicy and flavoured, and number 2, there's nothing worse than a dry roast potato. And before it goes back in, some more salt and some pepper, and it's going back in. That is heavy. This has been cooking for 1 hour and 40 minutes. I'm going to toss everything again. The onions are starting to cook and brown at the bottom of the pan. That's great. And it's going to go back in. I'm going to put the grill function on as well. The grill has been on for 15 minutes. This is what it's supposed to look like. Just need to taste that sweet potato. I think it's uncooked. Okay, it's going back in. It's been another 10 minutes with grill and bake on. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Chorizo roasted potatoes. Dinner this evening, chorizo roasted potatoes. This took a really long time to cook, but it's worth it, I promise. You should try this recipe at home. The recipe is in the description below.